Welcome students. So now let's come to the important part of our preparation, that is, let us solve the past year's questions. All right. Now, well, we are beginning with this chapter, acids and bases. Now let's see, this is a 2019 question. Write the main differences between acids and bases with the help of between acids and bases. All right. Then with the help of suitable example, explain the term neutralization and formation of acidic, basic and neutral salts. Alright, now let us do the first part of this, that is main differences between acids and bases. Alright, so between acids and bases. So one side we will write acids, the other side we will write base. Fine. Now acids, they are these donate H plus ions in solution, in aqueous solution. Alright, and bases, they donate hydroxyl ion, OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Fine. Now what about the taste of acids and bases? Acids are sour to taste. Alright. Bases are bitter to taste. Alright. Now acids will, about the touch if we write, then acids are corrosive to touch. And bases are soapy to touch. Alright. Then another point what we can write, acids will turn blue litmus red and bases will turn red litmus blue. Alright. Now the first part of this question is over. That is, write the main differences between an acids and base. First difference is that acids will donate H plus ions, bases will donate hydroxyl ions. Alright, acids are sour to taste. All the sour things, they have got acids. And bases, they are bitter to taste. In touch, acids are corrosive and bases are soapy. And acids will turn blue litmus red and bases will turn red litmus blue. Alright, now see, let us come to the second part of this, that is, explain about, with the help of suitable examples, explain the term neutralization and formation of acidic, basics and neutral salts. So neutralization, what it is? When an acid reacts with a base, what is formed? A base, then salt and water are formed. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. Now with examples we have to see acidic salt. Now acidic salt will be produced when a strong acid we can take HCl and a weak base such as NH4OH. When it will react, what will be produced? The salt is NH4 and Cl. So we have NH4Cl. It is the salt and plus HOH, that is H2O. Ammonium chloride and H2O. This is the acidic salt. Alright. This is acidic salt. Why? Because it is made from a strong acid. Then second example, let us see basic salt. For basic, what we will do? We will choose a strong base such as NaOH. And now acid, what we will be choosing, that will be a weak acid such as acetic acid, CH3COOH. And now what again? HOH, that is water will come out, and OH and H from here. See, क्या करें, फिर से दोबारा से करें.